Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental control on Xiaomi Mix Flip. So you have to start by opening your settings application, then you have to scroll down and click on Google. Now click on all services and then you have to find parental control. Then click let's do this and click sign in. Now you have to enter your passcode. And now you have to enter your child email address. And then click next. And now you have to enter your child password. And then you have to click I agree. Now you have to scroll down and click accept. Then you have to click on supervise and click next. Now you have to enter your parent email address. And click next. And now you have to enter your password. Now you have to scroll all the way down, and here you have to enter your child password again. Now click next. Then click allow. And now you have to scroll down and click next. And click done. And as you can see, my parental controls are now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.